Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can create vouchers of non-trading entries in QuickBooks. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, then we have a complete playlist of the QuickBooks trading that you can check out from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video.
Now similarly, our next transaction is security deposit paid by cash for shop taken on rent, and the amount is 30,000. Now you have the choice, as I told you before, that you can either pass this entry from journal entry, or you can do it from write checks. Let's do it from write checks for now. Write checks. Date is 4 January 2018. 4 January 2018. Transaction reference is this. Let's copy this one and paste it right here. Now, as I told you before, don't worry about the caption that mentions expenses, because whatever you will select, it will depend on the nature of it, not the caption itself. Simply you can consider this is what needs to be debited. Means if you purchase an asset by cash, so asset is debit and cash is credit. So anything that is debit should be mentioned here. So security deposit, I guess it's a new account. As soon as I press tab, it shows the message that account is not found. You need to create it. So I'll go in setup and I'll create it as other asset. Now this is not a current asset because it's holded by the owner of the building for long term till the time we leave the office. After that we will get our security refunded, right? So this is other asset. Save and close, and amount is 30,000. Also you can mention this description here and save it and close. Or if you want to see the backend entry of it, you can save and new, and then go to main tab, previous one, then go in reports and check the transaction journal. Now if we want to print supporting document or voucher of it, just go in transaction journal and remove the extra columns. For now we don't need class. So you can see this margins, this dotted line. Just hold this dotted line from your left click and then join with the other dotted line. It will hide it. Similar is for the name, and do it the same for number. If you want to increase the space, you can hold it and move it towards right. Okay. And if you want to switch the fields, then you will hold the heading or column from the left key in the center of it. You can see this hand. As soon as I click, it grabs the heading caption, and then you can move it anywhere you want. So it will change the column, switch the columns. After that you can just go and print report. You can set it to one page, see the preview of it, and you can simply print. For now I don't need to save this. No, just save and close. So this is how you can set the transaction journal voucher for printing and enter the non-trading transactions.